Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed. Welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, learn English step by step. Speak English with confidence. So many people think speaking English is too difficult or learning English is too difficult, but I don't think so. Nothing else. Okay, there are many vehicles in the road, so it disturbing to speak. Okay, so guys, many people think English is too difficult or learning English is too difficult, but I don't think so. I want to learn English, or I would like to learn English. I would like to speak English. Okay, so practice make perfect. Practice make a person to be perfect. Okay, so guys, don't worry about it. Nothing else. We need practice. We need speak. If there are many vehicles in the road, okay, so it makes sound pollution. Okay, start. I am coming right away. Okay, they are calling to play football. Okay, one of our Gopalvar. Okay, so he is calling to play football. He is calling to play football. So guys, just hang on a minute. আপনি আসেন, উপরে আসেন। আরে আমি একটু প্র্যাকটিস করবো, কাজ আছে। ওই বেগে ঢুকেন, বেগে। হ্যাঁ, ভিডিওতে আমি বাংলা মাতি না, আপনি আমার যে বাংলা মাতি। Okay guys, so one of our players is calling to play football. Oof. There are many vehicles in the road and make sound pollution. Okay, so guys, sorry to bother you. Okay, so guys, I practice every single day. I wake up early in the morning, so I have to speak English. I have to practice English. Okay, so don't think regarding this English is too difficult. Learning English is too difficult. This is this is quite false. Oh my goodness! Look, a bus coming too fast, too fast, too fast. Very in negative sense, it's quite dangerous. The driver drive. Okay, the driver drives the bus quite dangerous, guys. So so uh, I have to leave the road. So guys, I am talking regarding learning English or practice English every single day. So I practice English every single day. So guys, you have to practice English every single day. Okay guys, nothing else. Okay, so there are many vehicles in the road, so I can't talking because it makes noise. Okay, so guys, just hang on a minute. Okay guys, I practice English every single day. Okay, I need practice every single day. Okay, I have to practice every single days. Okay, so I would like to practice every single day. Nothing else and nothing will facilitate you to speak English, to be fluent in English. Okay, no need to be speak fast. You should be you should speak English with confidence. Okay, you should be fluent. Sorry, if you want to be fluent, you should be a confident speaker. Okay, okay, you should believe in yourself. I believe in myself. Okay, so guys, okay, small progress, still progress. Okay, you guys are able to see there are a number of players are playing football, but I'm practicing English. Okay, every single day I practice English. Okay, so guys, practice makes perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a person perfect. Okay, so you should practice every single day. I wake up early in the morning and I practice every single day, every single morning. Okay, so I would like to be a public speaker. No need to be speak fast. Speak slowly but clearly. Okay, speak slowly but clearly. Okay, and speak every single day, every single morning, every single afternoon, every single evening. Okay, so guys, every single day minimum 15 minutes. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. Please speak. Okay, please speak. Please practice your surrounding area. Okay, regarding your surrounding area. Okay, okay. So guys, you guys are able to see there are many cows in the field. There are a number of cows in the field. Okay, they are eating grass, and several players started started playing, started play. Okay, they have been started, they have been starting playing football. Okay, so guys, nothing else, you have to practice. Okay, and don't worry about it, don't worry about making mistake. Okay, never be afraid of making mistake. Okay, a person who never does make mistake is the person never does anything. Okay, a person who never make a mistake, a person who never make a mistake is the man never does anything. Okay, so guys, please practice and don't worry about making mistake. Okay, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Okay, so a man who never make a mistake is the man never does anything, guys. So I would like to request, please practice every single days, every single morning. Okay, every single morning are, okay, are new thing you learn. Okay, are new thing you will be able to learn. Okay, so guys, game has started, so they're playing, you guys are able to see. Okay, so guys, I learn every day. Okay, I learn every day, I learn new every day. Okay, I learn new every single day. Okay, I learn new every single morning, I learn new every single evening. So guys, I have to practice, nothing else. And uh, I am not needed to be uh, I have not, or I don't need to speak fast. Okay, I need to, okay, I have to, okay, I should practice, or I should speak slowly but clearly. Okay, speak slowly but clearly. Inshallah, day after day you will facilitate, you will be able to speak English fluently. Okay, So guys, so you need to be confident. Okay, nothing else. Confidence is more powerful than. Okay, guys. So confidence is more powerful than perfection. Okay, confidence is more powerful than perfection. Okay, so guys, so I'd like to request, please practice every single morning. Okay, so guys, you guys are able to see they are playing football. So after some time I will after some time I will go to play football. Okay, so there are a lot of ants. Okay, there are a lot of ants in the field. There are a lot of ants in the field, and a number of players, they are playing in the field. Okay, every day is a new opportunity. Okay, every day is a new opportunity to learn English. Okay, guys, so nothing else, you have to speak slowly but clearly. Okay, nothing else. And and you need to be confident, because confidence is more stronger. Okay, is more important. Confidence is significantly great than perfection. Okay, so nothing else, you needed to be confident. Okay, you needed to be confident, nothing else. Okay, every day is a new opportunity to learn. So guys, you have to practice every single day, every single morning. This is facilitated to you. This is facilitated to you to learn English, to speak English. Okay, there are many ants in the field. They bite in my legs. Okay, so guys, I should leave the place because they're biting in my leg. So guys, no more today, see you some other time. And last of all, I would like to thank for patience hearing, for listening my my practicing. So guys, inshallah you we will be able to speak English. So guys, no more today, see you some other time. Till then, assalamu alaikum.